This is the Roomba that Mark got for Christmas. I don't like it. It's so loud. I mean, allegedly he wanted this because I don't vacuum. Well, that may be true, but it doesn't have to be so damn loud. What do you think, Duncan? Also, I'd like to know if you gave me my cold Duncan. Did you? You're my baby boy. Welcome to Carol Steele Action Plan. Okay, so I'm going to be making smoked sausage and potato soup, and I found this recipe on Instagram. I'll be using 1.5 cups of the chicken stock, and it says 1.5 cups of coconut milk, preferably from a can. I buy this coconut milk by the case. Sorry, I'm snotty. I have a cold. And it says a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes, a cup of diced red potatoes. I got the mini ones. I'm just going to do them all. And then also a package of, this says Belinsky chicken sausage. I don't know what that is, so I just do Adele's chicken and apple. And then the yellow onion dice and 2 cloves of garlic. Sounds pretty simple and straightforward. This is a Whole30 compliant recipe, but I'm not really doing Whole30. I'm doing Whole30-ish. The recipe's from someone called At the Kitcheneer. I'll see if I can find her website or whatever. I'll link it below. So I probably won't be following directions exactly, but that's what the recipe's calling for. But I'll probably have more potato. So, all right, let me get things going and I'll get back to you. Welcome back to Carol Steele Action Plan. Look like crap, and I have the worst tripod today. I can't find my regular one. But good news, I have a new one on the way coming. Can't even see what I'm doing. So as I started telling you, I'm making this sausage and potato soup. I ended up modifying the recipe some. Why can't I show what I'm doing? This is pissing me off, guys. Again, worst tripod ever. I guess it's, oh, okay, that's the sausage. And I was supposed to dice an onion, but I remember I don't like dicing onions. So I used my Ninja chopper to chop up an onion. Not sponsored, but this is a great freaking chopper. So I'm going to add this onion into, I turn the pan on at medium. These are kind of diced, but it's soup. What do you want from me, people? So I'm supposed to cook this for 7 minutes. In the same pan with the sausage. So it's Adele's chicken sausage. I did chicken and apple, which I think would go great with potato. So we're sauteing this for about 7 minutes. You can't even see it. This freaking tripod. Can't wait to get a new one. This is why I'm a poor YouTuber. So get this out the way. I have a cold. I'm just trying to make some soup. I'll do something cool to show you. Oh, there you can see it. Man, if my phone falls on this, I will freak out. How about we do this? Watch me. Now we're sauteing the onions in with the sausage. I haven't cleaned my stove off because, you know, the maid has the week off. So doing this for 7 minutes and then I'll be back. Alright, I'm back and I just added 4 cloves of garlic. So I'm sort of doubling this, I'm sort of not. Because my potatoes end up being 2 cups. About a little over 2 cups because I got the mini potatoes. So instead of peeling them, I let them skin on and I used the whole little bag. Now I'm going to set this down right quick. I'll be right back. I put about 2 cups of chicken broth and a whole can of coconut milk in that glass thing, which is probably leaking a little bit. So I'm going to transfer the sausage to the pan with potatoes, and I'm going to add all that to it. And then I'm going to also add a cup of pepper, a pinch of red pepper spice, and about a teaspoon of salt. A little less, because I don't like to oversalt my food, because I figure if it's not salted enough, people can salt their own food, because grown-ups. So that's, I'll be back in 1 minute. And here's the finished soup. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share with your friends. I apologize for mine not looking like my normal supermodel self today. I'll do better. I will see you guys soon. Have a good rest of your weekend. I'm trying to get over this cold. Bye-bye.